Class, good day. So this week in our subject on advanced construction methodologies or techniques, we're going to discuss about lip slab system. So this system is already being used and tested in the construction industry and is still considered one of the modern methods of construction, despite being invented, I think, somewhere in the 40s, 50s. But it's still innovative even to this date. So the lift lab system is a system of construction which is mechanically elevating horizontally inclined positioning slabs on pre-positioned columns. So you're going to lift slabs to different levels of a structure or building. Okay, now we're going to review here a video file by Delta Electronics so that you'll be able to understand more about this system, because when you understand this in 3D, I think uh, it, it's much better than if I'm going to show you just pictures. Okay, so you can lift slabs up to 1,000 tons using this method. So as you can see here, class, look at the columns. You can see there are holes in it. First is you're going to place a hole here. Secure. Then you're going to place nuts, rods, and boxes. Then you're going to place the former. So you're going to use the former to secure the wood. You're going to place some placements. So let's use the first knot line. Then you're going to add another layer of glue to separate the second snap. Then you're going to secure it. So it will not move when you pour the concrete. Of course, repeat the same process. You place the reinforcements. Then you're going to pour concrete again. And let's go to the third step. Of course, you're going to place a film to be separated from the second. And then secure it again. Okay, then we're going to add reinforcements. To add, you can see you have 3 layers of slabs here. They're separated with a finish. Then we're going to install the lifting equipment. So this is the computer class which will determine the lifting process and control the entire lifting process. So since it's already locked, we're going to lift the slab one by one. You can see this is a film. It's still left on the ground. To get the upper when you go up, you can remember travel from one floor to another, you can be assured that slabs are down due to the lifting process. So everything class is controlled by the computer. Nothing will activate. So let's place your slab. We're going to insert the support here. So this will support the first slab. Then we're going to remove the nuts. So let's make sure that all sides don't have, they're already clear. So when you go up, so already remove the bolts. So we keep barely one of the slabs below. Then you're going to lift the two other slabs again. So you need to repeat the same process. Until you reach the desired floor, we're going to remove the other slab. So this is not fairly accurate since it's being controlled by the computer. Then if you're going to go higher class, you're just going to add more columns. Of course, you're going to use a crane for this one, a tower crane. Using the same process, removing the nuts, so you're leaving one step again. So when you insert the support, the holes, release. So we're going up again through the hydraulic process. Okay, so this is the film class which separates the different layers of the slabs. Since you're going higher. So I think this really makes it very convenient way of constructing your buildings. So you'll have to repeat the same process until you reach your desired number of floors. So you can go really high using this technology. Okay, so these are the examples. So someday, class, when you'll be working in big firms outside Cagayan de Oro City, you're going to experience doing the lift slab system, especially if you plan on working overseas. So let's go back to this. Okay, so it's really big. Okay. So you can just imagine the weight of one of these slabs. So the challenge here, class, is to really follow your schedule, and then you really have to be familiar with the technology uh, when you use this kind of system. So when you graduate, class, I or become architects in the future, I encourage you to try to work on some of the bigger firms there in Manila or outside the Philippines so that you can see these systems. So these are the actual pictures. This is a picture of the computing unit which will be controlling the hydraulic system. Okay? So you have here the tower cranes. So tower cranes, you can use this one to transport materials from the bottom, going up to the different levels of your building. So I think when you become site architect someday, you'll experience moving up and down the tower crane, especially when you're going to take pictures and do your reports. Because when you are in neophyte site architect, I think they will be assigned by the office to take pictures. So you can just imagine how high this is. In my experience, when I was working in Jeddah, it was really scary experience because I had to go up the tower crane and take pictures of the building as part of the reporting for the progress of the building. Okay, so this will be our lecture for this week, which is about the lift slab construction. So I hope that you'll put this into your heart. Then I'm going to update our Facebook group with our activity for this week. Okay, then if you have any questions or inquiries, don't hesitate to send an email or send a uh, PM in my Facebook, as I always reply and when I if I'm online. Okay, so see you next meeting and stay safe.